Hello Bobcat Nation, this is Mr. Baldwin here with Bob, doing a segment on some of my equipment for the Appalachian Trail. Today's segment we're going to talk about the big three. That's the tent, the sleeping bag, and my backpack. First of all, let's talk about the tent. Now this tent is the Big Agnes two-person tent. It's rated for 2 people. I'm not sure 2 people could fit in there, but it's perfect for me. I can fit in there with my backpack. It keeps me dry. It's a good spot for me to be in. This tent weighs 1.5 pounds. Weight is very important to me. I want to have the least amount of weight in my pack that I possibly can. I don't want to be hauling around 80 pounds of stuff. That's just too much. Next item is my sleeping bag. I got my sleeping bag from REI. It's rated for 20 degrees, so if it's 20 degrees out, this thing's going to keep me warm. I also have a sleeve that I can put on as well. That gives me another 10 degrees, so I can get down to 10 degrees and still be warm. The good thing about this sleeve is that when I put it on and then I get into my sleeping bag, this takes away the sweat and the oils from my body and doesn't get into my sleeping bag, keeping my sleeping bag clean. When I stop into a town, have to do some laundry, I throw this in the laundry and clean it off as well. I got this bag from REI, which is a sporting goods company. It's much like EMS in Peterborough. This sleeping bag weighs 12.5 ounces. So again, weight is very important for me. Lastly, on the big three is my backpack. Okay, this is the Osprey 50. This is the second biggest one. I didn't go for the biggest one because what the people said is the bigger you have, the more stuff you carry, the more weight it is. So I'm sticking with this one. It has a big compartment right here that'll have all my food, my tent, my sleeping bag, my stove, all of that stuff. On top, it has what's called the brain. We'll have my maps, my book, my glasses, all of the small things that I'm going to need to have. I really like this backpack because it takes a lot of the weight off of my back and puts it onto my hips right here with these hip huggers, and it feels like the weight isn't as much as it really is. This backpack is water resistant, not waterproof. So if it does rain, I do have a shell that I would put over the backpack to keep all of my stuff dry. So there it is. This episode with the equipment are the big three: the backpack, the sleeping bag, and my tent. Thank you.